My name's Campbell. I'm a physiotherapist from Australia, and I'm also an instructor in the Wim Hof Method. I got into the Wim Hof Method after I found in my physiotherapy career I've always been interested in the breath and how the breath can be used to change our state, change our body, our physiology and our nervous system. The Wim Hof Method is a very simple method. We use the breath, the cold and the mind to try and reconnect with our true capabilities. So we use the breath to influence our nervous system, our physiology, and to reconnect with our true capabilities. And that allows us to fulfill our potential that I think a lot of people have forgotten. It's a simple thing, breathing, but we can take people very deep into their nervous system, into their emotional and energy systems, and seeing that light go off in people's eyes, and it's usually quite a profound feeling, and there's a lot of connection in the room. So taking people layer by layer a little bit deeper into themselves, on a bit of a journey inside, and it's really powerful to see the outcomes that come out of this.